welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing a closet clean out. I actually haven't done one of these in a while, sort of. I did do a deep cleaning and decluttering my entire room, and in that video I did like a mini closet clean out, but I wanted to do like a huge closet clean out, like a whole video of just cleaning out my closet. That is what we're gonna be doing today, just focusing on my closet. In that video I kind of started to clean out my closet and I realized that it's actually pretty bad and I needed to spend a little bit more time on it. I actually got rid of quite a few clothes in that video, so definitely check out that one if you want to see some more cleaning and decluttering. I decluttered my makeup, my desk. Today I just really want to focus on getting rid of some clothes that I'm not wearing, especially with spring approaching. I feel like the change of seasons is the perfect time to declutter your closet. I feel like my style is always changing, so I like to look through my closet and see if there's pieces in there that don't really fit my style. I try to ask myself, would I buy this now? When was the last time I wore this? If I haven't worn it in like over a year, then I try to force myself to get rid of it. If I'm just keeping it for sentimental attachment, it's gotta go. I sell a lot of my clothes on Poshmark or donate them, give them to friends, family, whatever. I like to recycle my clothes and give them a new home. If I'm not wearing them, I would love for somebody else to be enjoying them. So that is kind of my goal. I am like mostly fashion based on my social media, so I do get a lot of clothes like sent to me. I might be buying stuff for like current fashion trends to like show in fashion related videos, but then find that I'm not actually wearing it, so I want somebody else to be wearing it and enjoying it if I'm not. With that being said, anything that I am selling will be on my Poshmark. I'll have it linked below at the very top of my description. My Poshmark is EmilyGrace266 if you want to check that out. I've listed a bunch of stuff recently as well, so I should have a lot of listings on there currently. I pretty much always accept lower offers, so I'm just trying to get rid of my stuff, so send me a lower offer if you want to. Let's just get into this. I'm gonna try to do this in an hour. I've got a little caffeine to help energize and motivate me. I hope you guys enjoy this video, this closet clean out. If you're needing to clean out your closet as well, I hope this is motivating. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy. Comment below your best closet clean out tip. Let's just get into the closet clean out. Really quickly, I just want to show you what we're working with. So a little before / tour of my closet and kind of what it looks like and what I plan on decluttering. So the first thing is like my main like actual closet. Here's what it looks like. It's not too messy. I just kind of want to organize it and have it be less full and less stuffed. So mostly I just want to get rid of some clothes that I'm not wearing. My sweaters are very like, I feel like they're kind of messy. They're not folded very clean, so I might refold those if I have time. I have this little ottoman type thing. I feel like everyone has that little section in their room where they just kind of pile up clothes. This is where I do that. I just want to clear up some space to be able to put all this away. This is just like some clothes that I featured in like recent hauls, stuff that I was gonna wear and decided not to wear, and just kind of like, it's just like a stack of stuff that's accumulated that I need to get put away. My clothing rack, I feel like there's a lot of like, I put a lot of my favorite pieces on here, so probably won't find much to get rid of. My dresser, I recently organized this, so it's probably not that messy. I also have these drawers under my bed. I feel like I just keep listing things. There's so much to do. Lots of sweatshirts and t-shirts, mostly ones that I like sleep in or lounge in. I feel like there's definitely some that I'm not wearing. So last time I actually found a ton to get rid of, like almost a whole drawer's worth, and then I just filled it right back up with other ones. I don't know how. I'm gonna see if I can find some to get rid of. Lastly is my coat closet. In my last like decluttering video, I actually got rid of so many coats. I think I can get rid of some more because I feel like I wear the same coat every day anyways. That is kind of like what we're working with. The first thing I like to do is kind of just go through my main closet, all of the hanging clothes, because that is kind of like the bulk of everything and that's what takes the longest. I think that's what I'm gonna start with. I like to kind of take everything out in sections and bring it out to my room because in my closet it's a little tight, it's a little stuffed in there. Also the lighting isn't super good. When everything's packed in there, it's kind of hard to see it. I like to just kind of take everything out in sections and actually physically take it out of my closet, really be able to like look through it and see it and only put back what I'm wearing. I find that that process works really well for me. So if you're kind of looking for a good way to declutter, I would recommend trying that instead of just kind of looking through it like this, because I feel like you just can't see it very well. Let's just get started with the closet clean out. Do I need all of these sweater vests? These two fit very different. This one's like really oversized and boxy, and this one's kind of more fitted. I hate to get rid of them. A lot of them I like thrifted. Really good quality like material. I feel like it'd be hard to find vests like this. I just keep them a little longer, and if I don't wear them, I might get rid of them in the next closet clean out. The way that I have 3 colors of the same shirt, but I do really like these little baby tees. I wear them a lot. I I do like this little graphic tee, like the actual fit of it. I actually just ordered a plain gray oversized t-shirt like this because I've been wanting one for a while. I don't have a plain gray oversized tee, and I would be so much more likely to wear that than the skeletons. Even though like this shirt is cute, I probably haven't worn it in 2 years, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it because I know I'm gonna wear the plain gray one that I ordered so much more. I really love this shirt, but it just doesn't fit me very well. As you can see, it's a little bit small, so I probably should have ordered a bigger size. It's so cute, and it's like such a nice material. It's supposed to be like a baby tee, and it also does stretch out. It doesn't fit me very well, so I think I'm gonna get rid of that. I feel like I was thinking about getting rid of this in my last closet clean out. I was really obsessed with these for a while. I feel like I don't really wear the bright colors as much anymore, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I just wanted to take a quick break from the closet clean out and say thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love HelloFresh, and the weather has been so cold and so bad here in the Midwest, like snow and ice and freezing temperatures. Going to the grocery store is like literally the last thing that I want to do. I love HelloFresh. Literally the other day we got a bunch of snow and the weather was so bad, like the roads were so slick, and that was actually the day that my HelloFresh came to my door, and I was so happy because I had no groceries. I needed to go grocery shopping. Perfect timing. I love HelloFresh, and it's so convenient, and I just love it. It makes my life so easy. I actually do have a discount code. I'm gonna put it here on the screen if you guys want to check it out for yourself. I'm gonna make a delicious dinner. Pork chops, mashed potatoes, their meals are so good, and I think you guys would like them as well.
If you're doing some spring cleaning, HelloFresh is perfect. You get fresh, pre-portioned ingredients delivered right to your door. It makes cooking at home easy, fun, and delicious, and affordable. I love that there's no lines, no hassle, just great tasting meals to whip up and enjoy in the comfort of my own home. The delicious recipes are made with fresh, wholesome ingredients that are delivered right to my door. It's literally so good. I feel like every HelloFresh meal becomes my new favorite. My family and friends love it as well. If you haven't tried a HelloFresh meal, you definitely should, so you can see why everyone loves it and which recipe is your favorite. With the cost of groceries going up and up, now is the perfect time to get started with HelloFresh. HelloFresh is cheaper than grocery shopping and up to 70% less expensive than dining at a restaurant. HelloFresh has 40 weekly recipes to choose from for all meal occasions, lifestyles, and preferences. Take your pick from meals like soy glazed salmon and rice or mushroom and chive risotto. One of my favorite and go-to recipes is the one-pan fajita lettuce wraps from HelloFresh. They are so good and so easy. They have so many delicious recipes that are easy and convenient. I've never had a HelloFresh meal that I didn't like. They're truly all so good. HelloFresh makes it easy to eat what you love. You can customize select meals by swapping proteins or sides, or even adding protein to a veggie dish. Now you can even upgrade for organic chicken or organic ground beef on select meals. One of my favorite things is that they take care of the meal planning and prepping, which frees up so much extra time in my schedule. With pre-portioned ingredients, foolproof recipes, and convenient doorstep delivery, HelloFresh makes it easy to get dinner on the table. The recipes are so easy to follow. I'm not a great cook myself, but the recipes are even easy for me, especially with the photos and step-by-step instructions. I actually do have a discount code, so if you want to check it out for yourself, go to HelloFresh.com and use code EmilyGray60 for 60% off plus free shipping. Again, go to HelloFresh.com and use code EmilyGray60 for 60% off plus free shipping. That is an amazing deal, so definitely make sure to check it out. I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description, so you can just click that link.
I love HelloFresh. Like, it is so good. It makes my life so easy. Definitely recommend checking it out. Now I'm just gonna get back to the closet clean out. I'm almost done, but I just have a few more things I need to do. I do feel like this would be really cute for spring. I feel like I never wear cardigans that are this style. I also feel like I never really like yellow on me. These are really similar. I don't think I need them both. I really like this one. I've worn it so much, and this one I think I've only worn once. And the little flowers are so cute, and it's really soft. But for some reason, I just find myself wearing this one more. I think my sister would really like this, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I used to have so many of these thermals from Randy Melba. Like, I was so obsessed with them at one point. I used to wear them like to work, to school. I just loved them. I can't remember the last time I wore one, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this. These are not the same shirt. If I was gonna wear one of these, it'd probably be this one and not this one. This I clearly have not worn. I went to wear it one day and I didn't like it. I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. This was my favorite shirt for so long, but it's so like stretched out and pilly. I think I have to get rid of it, but it was literally my favorite shirt. It's not my favorite anymore. That is everything in the hanging section of my closet. I actually found a lot to get rid of and I cleared a lot of space. Like now when I move the clothes, I can actually like scoot them. The sun is starting to set, it's getting a little bit dark. Now I'm gonna move on to everything else that's in my closet, everything that's like folded, sweaters. I have like some random stuff that's kind of like folded under the clothes. So I think I'm just gonna bring that out and kind of like fold it and sort through it, just kind of like reorganize it. I went through everything that's hanging in my closet and I also kind of went through everything that's folded in my closet. Now I'm gonna move on to everything that's in my room. So like the drawers, the clothing rack. Also, sorry about the lighting. The sun is setting. I don't really have any natural light anymore. We're almost done. There's only a few more things to go through. Really quickly, I'm just gonna sort through the clothing rack. I don't really think there's much on here I'm gonna find to get rid of or that I'm not wearing because it's a lot of my favorite pieces. I'm just gonna double check that there's not anything on here that I'm not wearing. Forgot to go through my sweatshirts. I'm gonna do that really quick. This corduroy jacket, it's super cute, but I don't remember the last time I wore it. Probably when I first got it, which is probably like a year or two ago. I feel like it's just not as much my style. I feel like I'd be more likely to wear this one. It's kind of like a little bomber jacket. It's kind of like the same color. I feel like my sister really loves this, so I'll probably give it to her, and she would wear it so much more than I would. It is a little bit later. My closet is looking so much more organized. I love that I can actually move my clothes around. I pretty much went through everything on my list. Now there's just one more thing to do, which is to put that stack of clothes away. Really quickly, I just want to show you some of the things that I'm getting rid of. This jacket has been one of my favorites for a while, but I feel like I just don't really wear a lot of jackets anymore. I feel like I wear faux leather jackets a lot, and those have been kind of like my go-to recently. Or if it's really cold, like a puffer jacket or a fleece jacket. But I feel like I just don't wear a lot of these. My sister loves them. She wears them all the time, so I'm just gonna give it to her. I feel like she'd get a lot more wear out of it than I would. I have this trench jacket. I have another one that I like a lot better, so I feel like I just don't wear this one as much. I actually thought about keeping this. I do feel like it's really cute. I haven't really worn it all winter, And then I have a couple like Sherpa jackets that I'm just not really wearing. I actually did get rid of quite a few hoodies. I wear a lot of hoodies, and these ones are just some that I haven't worn as much, like this one. Another one that says Hawaii that I wear a lot more. It's like a green color. This is cute, but I have other gray sweaters that I like more and wear more. Some of it will be on my Poshmark, so definitely make sure to check it out. I'll put my Poshmark here on the screen. It'll also be linked below in the description. I feel like I actually got rid of quite a few things this closet clean out. Kind of wanted to do a little bit of spring cleaning and get rid of anything that I'm not wearing. My dressers and everything were pretty organized because I kind of did that in my last like decluttering my room. I think that is everything for this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed this spring closet clean out. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment your best cleaning tip below. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Definitely make sure to check out HelloFresh. I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description with my discount code and everything. It's so delicious and convenient. I absolutely love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you're needing some cleaning motivation, I hope this inspired you, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.